Hey guys, this is what I got for France. I got my passport, ukulele, watch, headphones, 24 to 70mm lens, 50mm lens. I got my Canon 6D and a dome for the underwater shots. It's 4 AM, I'm backed up. Let's go.
Product I must really need, but when I get it I'll be happy. All I need security, security, security. 2 cold beers, a hot bitch, insecurity. Guess I need a new suit, new tie, new shoes. Turning in my resume, do a few interviews. Remember firm handshake, look 'em in the eye, back straight. Say your GPA, don't you dare lie. Maybe I could lie. If it means getting the job, I'll do anything I try. Get turned down 30 times and get an internship. All aboard, now it's money time. I'm about to be the shit. All I really need is 2 cold beers, a hot bitch, and security. Handcuff, doggy leash and rope. Tie me up securely, tell me where I need to go. As I climb the corporate ladder, security starts to grow. Can't wait until the day they call me CEO. Just throw me in a cave and tell me where I need to go. Just like a man with freedom, just like Pinocchio.
Okay, so this video has been a bit hectic. I woke up before to get my flight at 8. I just arrived in Saint Tropez. It's now the afternoon. Pretty tired. I'm going to pump out my paddleboards, and then probably going to head to the water to chill for a bit. And in case you didn't know why I was here, I'm here for North Sales. They're sending me here to show their new line of clothes, take some videos, take some photos, and hopefully that should be fun. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this week. Okay, so I didn't film yesterday, that's my bad. There was loads of wind, not much to do, loads of jellyfish, so I can either go harpooning or whatever. There might be some surf today, so hopefully we're gonna go check that out. If not, then I'll go get my harpoon, we'll go harpooning. I guess we'll see.
Tes 20 ans ou presque n'arrangent rien. L'été s'achève, mais tu ne sais pas que la vie est belle même sans lendemain.
Okay guys, I just walked away from the Saint Tropez sails because it was really hectic. It's going well. I just met the North-South people. They were lovely. Yeah, and then hopefully I can show more of the Saint Tropez sails with you. It should come in around now. gonna go get ready. Gonna go through Saint Tropez, visit a bit, maybe meet some people, and then I guess we'll see what happens today. I think we've got some photography lined up. Wow, it's bright. I think we have some photography lined up for the day, and then I don't know. I guess we'll see. Okay, see you.
Satellites, they orbit around my empty heart. I don't sleep at night. I can't sleep at night, but it's not your fault.
Okay, I'm done getting dressed. I'm ready to go. Let's go do
With
this.
your lips so dry, with your lips so dry, you enchant with charm. With a great divide, full of bitter wine and uptown cars. No. Masquerade of shooting stars. No, 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 no.
Here to redirect people that are coming from cars, but instead we're bringing them to focus on the most important problems, which is plastic pollution in our oceans. So we've got some plastic which were collected from beaches all around in Italy, and so you can choose a little bit of plastic that you like. For example, this lid, you can stick it on a whale and choose a pledge that you wish to take to stop or reduce your consumption of single-use plastic in your life. So, a pledge to the sea.
Stolen parade, the girls they swing, they hope they fade. I'll be back someday when the days are warm and the skies are gray. When you're in the fields on your promenade, in the stolen parade. Girls they swing, they fade. clouds are stormy, and you're so gray, she cries, just on another day. And I'm looking for a way of getting close to you. Please paint the picture, please pave the way to find a rose in Saint Tropez. I try to tangle and dismay, to get a hold of you. Light up your cigarette, brighter than day. She's mine, I've walked into the day, and I take it you should dare.